an elegant Seacht, Tandair's the place that is famed for a halt. All around the green bushes that grow in Tyrone, county for manna, for muscle and bone, but for feasting and dancing and fun at the fair, oh, there's none can be matched with the rains of Kildare. Green Ireland's the country, the gem of the sea, but the gem of old Ireland is Tandair. Here's to the boys who are happy and gay, singing and dancing and tearing away, frolicsome, frisky and free, with the rollicking boys around Tandair. Tell me, where is the man, neither Christian or Turk, can beat the bold Robert, Embit or Burke? And where is the lawyer can speak up like Dan? Oh, divil another bad luck to the one. And where is the singer can sing like Tom Moore, whose melodies will charm all dull thoughts from your door? We'll beat them all yet, boys, and that you will see, for we're rare and fine people in Tandair. Here's to the boys who are happy and gay,